thank you.
Alana,
okay,
go on.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone's in the house to get the pumpkin pie.
Hi, Ashley.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving!
All right, happy Thanksgiving!
It's a party! It's a party!
And then it says,
Hey, do you want to sit down?
woo! Go, Levity, go up. Dang, and it just keeps going and going.
Warming, okay? Yes, yes. This is just a prequel. This is a prequel, okay?
Where's sister go? Show me your ring ticket one more time, babe. You won it. That's right, Shantae.
I'm a passenger person.
Hey! Let's take a motherfucking shot! Let's go!
If you want to ride,
We're about to play this game. What is it? Oh, that's what she said.
all right, y'all ready? My bra off and cried.
I love a little tease.
I took my bra off and cried.
I've got a collar and some begging strips.
I took my bra off and cried.
We're going to need plenty of towels.
I took my bra off and cried. Release the what? Carton?
Kraken. Kraken.
Oh, okay. Okay. Which one y'all think was the funniest? You have to pick it.
Team two. You can't act it out. You can't act it out. You can't act it out.
I said no, I'm good.
I'm trying to find a hot spot.
You are the monster.
I'm going to go with, I love salty nuts.